Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this secret lighter charger for your car. It is an USB-C adapter with 1 meter lightning cables. That means with that cables here, it is possible to recharge an iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11 Pro Max, 10, 8, 7, 6 and so on. And iPad of course, with lightning port. Of course you can change the cable by yourself into a USB-C cable or a new micro USB or what you like. Because the secret lighter car charger here makes the job with nearly every car cable out there. The 48 watt, that means 30 watt plus 18 watt dual port fast charger is made of metal and can be conveniently used with the car secret lighter system. This fast charging car charger with an excellent charging experience can charge 2 phones or electrical devices at the same time, anytime and anywhere. We can share with our companions, so we don't have to worry about the remaining battery power on our phone. This will keep our phone running all day long if you like. This car charger automatically detects the power required by the iPhone device, and charging will automatically stop when the battery is full charged to ensure safe charging on the road. The advanced smart chipset with the built-in 48 watt USB-C car charger protects this device from overheating and overcurrent, overcharging and short circuit. No longer worry about radio or GPS interferences, baby. And it is a 2-pack and it's MFi Certified cable. The built-in smart chip that supports fast charging up to 2.4 ampere and transfer speed of a 480 megabit per second. This MFi Certified cable with a compatibility with all Lightning devices from Apple. That means here it is a big bunch of possibilities, and of course you can change the cable to your device, like an USB-C or something else. It's lightweight and space saving, and it's easy fits in the bags and backpacks. This is ideal for business and leisure office. A single USB secret light adapter is enough to charge multiple devices of different standards, of course, with the automobile auxiliary power outlet. This, known as a car secret lighter or an auxiliary power outlet, is an automatic mobile was intelligently designed to power on electrically heated cigarette lighters, but become a de facto standard DC connector to supply electrical power for portable accessories used in or near our automobile direct from the vehicle's electrical system. Such include mobile phones, chargers, cooling fans, portable fridges, electric air pumps, and power inverters. You see, this connectivity is really cool. In most vehicles, at least one car outlet is present. Some vehicles may have more power outlets, usually one for the front passengers, one for the rear passengers, and one for the luggage trunk. The voltage of the power outlet is usually near the 12 volt DC and may be elevated between 13.5 volt up to 15 while the engine is running. The 12 volt power circuit is protected by a car fuse, often rated to 10 up to 20 amperes, which provide 120 to 140 watts of the line power. The larger pinions such as hair dryers or toaster draw too much power to be fed from an auxiliary power socket. If wired directly rather than touch the ignition, an empty car battery can be charged throughout the outlet from an external power outlet, which is more convenient, albeit slower than current supported touch electrical clamps on the car battery itself. So you see, this connection is really cool, and it brings our MFi Certified Secret Lighter to a big bunch of possibilities. And as shown in that car here, you can see there are 3 12 volt connections where we can use this secret lighter system. Ooh. And you does not have to use it as a secret lighter, because you have to use it as a power source. Yeah, that's a really cool thing behind this system. This secret light charger for cars can use with an adapter with 1 meter lightning cable included and comes to us with 2 connectabilities each charger. So you can start and recharge 4 devices in one car with 2 secret lighters at the same time. Really cool feature. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Son.